Champions of the realm. There's only two things I know in this world, that my name's Anuki and this is Paladins Top 5 Plays. So, my name's Anuki and this is Paladins Top 5 Plays.
Let the slaughter begin.
Here in the Magistrate's archives, Red Team attempting to push into the main room, but you can't just force it like this, Moji! Sin's been featured so much recently, though we haven't seen a play like this! Drop shot surprise spite, you got style, Marthet!
Oh yeah.
Careful, we bite.
Like a bat out of spawn hell, Io rushes back to restore their comrade's health. Sadly, the tanks are down by the time Yvonne Gadam returns to the action. They deviate to the left, and I don't think they were detected either. And Droxa's being overwhelmed, and there's nothing Gadam can do to save them from here. She forced missiles, 3 of them into the grinder. The kill feed just can't figure out what happened. There's still the matter of Koga to deal with. Distancing themselves with a backflip, Gadam's aim is most certainly true.
So, they want to play.
A battle with Willow going well, and a little bit of graffiti on the rooftops. Even more graffiti! Well, you're just 1-6 under! Fernando takes a hefty barrage, and Fernando hits back hard. Sunder hides up high and waits recovery. Furia is the one to deliver, now skating through the sky and slugging sluggers. It's munch time! King me! Direct hits, turning them to smithereens. There's no chance you're getting away, Genos. The Quadra is Sunder's.
I'm looking divine.
Bouncing chakrams around in Stone Keep, Zika falls back and creates some space away from his team. That blade dancing ultimate is ready to go. Blue team filing up down the road. It's a double dash to get behind them, then up on the ledge for some abusive alternative strikes, cutting that jump time. I don't think you meant to do that, did you, Zika? As a survivor, Zika pings for a ricochet. That's a different kind of pentakill.
Now this is what I'm talking about.
Leona Lewis, but that's a lawyer-sounding name. She wanders the desert with her magical lawyer powers, gliding and grinding against the wall away from Vora and assisting Furia. Book is smelted. Ice Blast sent to midfield. Oh no! At least Furia is avenged. Time to summon the legendary Zodiac. Rathalos Ash is getting crispy! Very crispy. Slowly making that terrifying way to the middle of the war zone. When you see this thing flapping its wings, you run, you hide, or you be Barrett, or you find Leona Lewis and force her to cancel. Fast reaction saves her hide. Still got the Barrack before escaping, though. There's the culprit. It was Book. Furia gave Leona a good heal, and now she's just gonna sit herself down here and act like a goddamn cannon. Ice bomb overhead. This is just outstanding damage from a backline position on Amani. The team's gonna get in there and wrap this up. Flame Ray burning Barrett's shield down. Looks like the team's pushing in now. Book again? Quick escape, trying to find environmental shot blocks and dropping into the heat of the action. Leona Lewis is so flexible. We're killing everyone 2 or 3 times over. There's no question about it. Leona Lewis is a legend. Check out the bounty board. Be the next person to be featured as one of these characters and earn yourself some crystals. The link to submit your play is in the video description below. Contact me on discord.me/Toki if you need help claiming your bounty, submitting a play of your own, or you want to find some guys, gals, and non-binary pals to hang out with. My name's Anuki, and I can't wait to see what you can do.